sample data sets are included with the WebODM package. So if you go to their website, go to opendronemap.org, and you go to projects, and the top one, the command line toolkit ODM section, you'll see this tab up here. It's called Datasets. So if you click on that, you'll get to this section where it lists out a bunch of different projects that users and the developers have included. So what they've done is they've gone out, taken a bunch of pictures, taken them properly, so you know that if you're practicing and testing out OpenDroneMap, these pictures are going to work well. So they have various levels of complexity, whether it's real-time kinematic photos, or whether it's just 3D objects. But you can download them, load them up into OpenDroneMap, and get started right away, which is kind of nice. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to use this banana. These are actual bananas. So this is more of a 3D model test. So if you go click on that bananas, you'll get the go to GitHub, where this all the data lives for these banana images. You'll see that in here everything is loaded into an images folder, right? So you got a bunch of pictures of this delicious bunch of bananas. To get them off of your computer, or get them off of GitHub and down onto your computer, go to click on images and go to code and hit download zip, and that will download those and into a zip file. We extract them, and let's put them on my desktop. And we have everything in there. So all the images are here, right? So we've got a whole bunch of banana pictures, but this is what we're going to do this is what we're going to upload into OpenDroneMap to create our 3D model. So we're going to test this out later, and run through that. But that's how you get these images off of the OpenDroneMap website. So I encourage you to do this, because this way it kind of reduces any errors you may have if you don't take the pictures correctly, if your camera's not set right, if you don't get enough overlap, or your flight pattern isn't right. We've got a bunch of good data sets here, so you can kind of eliminate all that question, and you can get started right away. So you just download these pictures, and look at the number of images. And obviously, 865, versus 29. Start with the smaller ones. It'll reduce your processing time and kind of get you familiar with it. But these data sets are a great way to get started right away. So I encourage you to download them and use them to practice.